Hi, Teri here from Stamping Magic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something a little bit different to share with you. I've just received my order from the new 2020-2021 annual catalogue and I thought I'd share it with you. Now, as a demonstrator, I was able to pre-order from a small selection of products last month, and I've already received and I've started using that order. But this is my first order from the full new annual catalogue. So let's get started. I haven't opened the box yet, so I'm going to do that first of all. And here is my order. I'm going to move the box out of the way now and just organise it a little so it's a bit easier to show you everything. The first thing I'm going to show you are the new in colour ink pads. So we've got Magenta Madness, Bumblebee, which is my favourite, I love yellow, Cinnamon Cider, Just Jade and Misty Moonlight. So that's the 5 new ink colours for this year. We do also have some Stampin' Blends alcohol markers to go with some of these colours. So that's Cinnamon Cider, Magenta Madness, Just Jade and Misty Moonlight. Sadly we haven't got one for Bumblebee. The only other new Stampin' Blends we've got is Melon Mambo. I also purchased the new in colour 6-inch Designer Series paper pack, and these are all new designs. All of our colour collections have these new designs now. For the in colour one you get 40 sheets, which is 4 each of 2 double-sided designs. I think the polka dot one is my favourite, although I do like that wood grain as well. So we've got Bumblebee, Misty Moonlight, Just Jade, Cinnamon Cider and Magenta Madness. I also purchased our new Stamping Mist bottle. Now this now comes just in an 8 fluid ounce bottle and it comes with a spray nozzle. I only ordered a couple of the new embossing folders. First of all, I've got the new Old World paper 3D folder, and then I also purchased the Dainty Diamonds 3D embossing folder. I think this was part of the Peony suite. The only other folders I've got from the new catalogue are the greenery ones. Now this is a set of 2 and they're the new slimline ones. I just ordered 2 of the new bolts of ribbon. I've got to be very careful with ribbon, although I love it, I don't actually use it that often. I chose to get the new Grey Granite Shimmer, which I think again is part of the Peony suite. And then I also got the new Bumblebee Gingham ribbon. I also purchased a pack of the new in colour enamel dots. And then I also had to have some of the new elegant faceted gems. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. Again, they're part of the Peony suite. And then I also got the Flowers for Every Season gems. I thought these would be perfect for little shaker cards. Or you could stick them individually onto your projects, but I think I'll probably use them for shakers. And that's all the accessories that I ordered. I'm now going to go through all the stamp sets I got that are standalone, so aren't part of a bundle. So starting with Peaceful Moments, and this is a great sentiment set. You've got your standard sentiments as well as some really lovely phrases. Next is the Borders Abound set. I thought this was great, not only for the lovely fonts on the sentiments, but because of the borders. I'm looking forward to using these with the Stamparatus and seeing what I can do. Then we have Basket of Blooms. Now this I couldn't resist. I love floral sets, I love vase sets, and this has a plant pot and a basket and it's photopolymer. So all my favourite things in one stamp set. I couldn't resist it. We do have a few new background stamps, but I just purchased the Stack Stone. I thought this would make a great background for masculine cards and also for floral cards. Zany Zebras is one of the new stamp sets that's featured in our beginner's brochure, probably because the images are going to be so simple to colour. But I loved not only the cute images, but also that it comes with lots of lovely sentiments. Way to Goat is another really cute stamp set, and it's got some great sentiments as well. I love these three images, I think they're hilarious. Four Season Floral is another of the stamp sets in our beginner's brochure, and you won't find this one in the annual catalogue, it's just in the beginner's brochure. And I thought this looked like a great stamp set, not only for the lovely floral images, but for the lovely simple sentiments. I'm now going to show you all the bundles that I ordered, and starting with the Pampered Pets. Now this I just had to have, I could not resist these images. I'm very much a dog and cat lover, so I find it hard to resist anything that has dogs or cats on it, especially when they're cute. I love these fun images, and I love the sentiments that are included in this set. And then we've got these very simple dies to go with it. The dies are outline dies, so they'll cut out the four main images, and then you've got one extra one that will do the paw prints. Next, I've got the All Things Fabulous bundle. Now this stamp set is one of our layering stamp sets, so it's got several images or several stamps that make up one image. I think looking at it there's probably 3 stamps to one image, and it's got some fabulous sentiments as well. The dies look like they're mainly outline dies, but then you've got this wonderful diamondy shaped doily type die, which is going to be interesting to use. And then I've got the Prized Peony bundle. Now this is just gorgeous. I love these flowers. I can't wait to use this set. Again, we've got some lovely fonts in the sentiments. And then the dies look amazing. So there's outline dies here. There's additional flower dies, so they will create flowers without having to stamp first. There's some dies, I'm not quite sure what these are, that'll be interesting to find out. And then you've got this wonderful border die as well. Now the Hippo Happiness bundle was not one that I was going to purchase until I saw the dies that came with the stamp set. Now I love these images, they're very cute, so they're sort of very me, and great for children's cards. Lots of sentiments as well. But the dies, my goodness, look at these. Look at all these labels, all these layers. There's no way I could have resisted this. So I think this is going to get a lot of use. I'm not sure what these little slot dies are for on here. Perhaps for tags maybe, or ribbon sliders, something like that. It'd be interesting to find out. Now I did order just a couple more paper packs. The first one is the Brights Collection 6-inch Designer Series paper pack. Now I love the Brights colours, they're my favourite out of all of the collections. So again, this paper has all the new designs. There's 40 sheets, so 4 of each colour, so 2 of each double-sided design. Love them. Daffodil Delight is my favourite, Love Yellow and Granny Apple Green. but Coastal Cabana and Bermuda Bay I also love. Most of the colours I love from this collection. And then I just ordered 2 of the 12-inch Designer Series paper packs. The first one had to be the Peony Garden because I purchased most of the products in that suite. Not all, but most of them. And of course I had to have this paper. Now I love this. This is I think basic grey, grey granite and petal pink with white. So you get 12 sheets in the pack, 6 double-sided designs. Love this one. I love them all actually. And some gorgeous marble to finish off. Lovely paper pack. And then finally I also got the Playful Pets to go with that Pampered Pets stamp set. Now this paper is just gorgeous. Apologies for the glare from the window here. I think it gets better in a minute. The images are beautiful, so cute. Some of them I'm not sure because I haven't tried it yet. They may be able to be die cut using the dies that coordinate, but the other images can just be cut out by hand. I mean, how cute are these dogs? They're lovely. And these cats. And there's so many different ones. And I love the designs on the reverse as well. Look at this cat. He's amazing. This image matches one in the stamp set, so it may be that that one can be die cut. Cute design on the back. Little hearts and fishes. And this one is gorgeous. And I love the black and the red. That's really nice. The words are great on this one, all pet related. The only other thing that I haven't showed you yet from my order is this Boho Indigo product medley. And this is a box full of lots of different products. Now I'm not going to show you the content here. I'm going to do a separate little video for this unboxing. But you can find details of this collection on page 9 of the catalogue, and it includes stamps and dies and papers and embellishments. So look out for that video. That'll be coming very soon. And that's it. That's my unboxing complete. I hope you enjoyed watching it. It was certainly fun to go through everything. Bye for now.